Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Zopa savings account. Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products, including savings accounts. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of opening and managing a Zopa savings account. First, you need to open a Zopa account. You can do this by visiting the Zopa website or by downloading the Zopa mobile app. You will need to provide some personal details, such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as proof of identity and address. Once you have opened your account, you can deposit money into it using a debit card or by setting up a direct debit. To manage your Zopa savings account, you can use the mobile app or the website. The app allows you to check your balance, view your transactions, and make withdrawals. You can also set up savings goals and track your progress towards them. The website offers the same functionality as the app, and you can also use it to download statements and manage your account settings. One of the key features of a Zopa savings account is the ability to earn interest on your savings. The interest rate is variable, which means it can change over time. You can find out the current interest rate by logging into your account or by checking the Zopa website. Zopa also offers a range of savings products, including fixed-term savings accounts and instant access savings accounts. To get the most out of your Zopa savings account, it is a good idea to set up a regular savings plan. This involves setting aside a fixed amount of money each month, which is then transferred into your savings account. You can set up a direct debit to make this process automatic. You should also make sure to check your account regularly to ensure that you are on track to meet your savings goals. In terms of security, Zopa is a fully licensed bank, which means that your deposits are protected up to a certain amount. Zopa also uses robust security measures to protect your account and personal data. You can also use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. In conclusion, using a Zopa savings account is a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can open and manage a Zopa savings account, earn interest on your savings, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always check your account regularly and to set up a regular savings plan to get the most out of your account.